Welcome to this guided meditation for new beginnings. This meditation invites you into a space of reflection, renewal, and new beginnings. Whether you're at a crossroads in life, seeking clarity after challenges, or simply wanting to refresh your mindset, this meditation is a journey inward. May you find a comfortable space, somewhere you can sit or lie down without distractions. This meditation is a bridge to new beginnings, a chance for you to pause, reset, and visualize a fresh start. So, give yourself permission to take this time for you. Gently close your eyes, drawing your attention away from the outside world and directing it inwards. Start by feeling the connection of your body with the ground or the surface beneath you. It's a comforting reminder that you're grounded, supported, and safe. Now, let's connect with your breath. Simply notice it in its natural state. How does it feel as it moves in and out? What rhythm is it setting? Just observe it. Don't try to change it. When you're ready, begin to guide your breath into a slower, deeper rhythm. Inhale deeply, drawing the air through your nose, feeling your chest and belly rise. Then exhale slowly and fully through your mouth, releasing any tension with it. Do this a few more times, finding comfort in this simple act of breathing. Acknowledge yourself. This moment is a gift you've given to yourself, a step towards peace, healing, and new beginnings. With your body deeply relaxed and anchored in the present moment, let's journey inwards. Begin by asking your heart, what new beginnings am I yearning for? Just pose the question and allow your inner self to answer. It could be a whisper, an image, a feeling. Don't rush or force an answer. This is a conversation with your true self. You may see images of the past, maybe moments of joy, perhaps moments of challenge. Allow them to flow like a river, observing without judgment. Remember, rivers always move forward, never backward. It's nature's way of showing us the essence of new beginnings. Now, imagine a path. This path represents your journey ahead. Notice how it stretches forward, leading to horizons unknown. The very first step on this path symbolizes the start of something new. See yourself there, at the beginning, full of hope and potential. As you stand there, absorb the feelings. Are there butterflies of excitement in your stomach? A flutter of anxiety in your chest, or a warm glow of optimism in your heart? Acknowledge all feelings. They're all valid and part of this process of starting new. Visualize yourself beginning to walk on this path, every step filled with purpose and determination. The landscape may change. Sometimes it's a lush meadow, other times a dense forest or a steep hill. Yet with every step, you grow more confident, more aligned with your purpose. If you come across an obstacle or a crossroad, visualize a guiding light showing you the way. This light is your intuition, your inner guide, always leading you towards growth and new horizons. Take a moment to deeply embed this imagery, this feeling of journeying towards new beginnings in your heart. Remind yourself that with every sunrise, nature gifts us a new beginning. And in this very moment, by connecting deeply with yourself, you're mirroring that natural cycle, preparing to embrace the dawn of a new chapter in your life. Bring your attention once again to your breath, that ever-present anchor. Allow each inhale to draw in hope, rejuvenation, and promise. With every exhale, release any lingering doubts or apprehensions, sending them out into the universe to be transformed into positive energy. Now, let's ground these feelings, ensuring they stay with you as you transition back to the world outside. Visualize roots extending from your body, connecting you deeply with the earth. Feel this powerful connection, a reminder that just like the mighty trees, you too are rooted yet ever growing, ever reaching towards greater heights. Gradually start to awaken your senses. Tune into the gentle sounds around you, the distant chirping of birds, the rustle of leaves, or the subtle hum of the city. Feel the air against your skin, perhaps a gentle breeze, or the coziness of your surroundings. Rub your fingers together, awakening the sense of touch. Gently tap your feet or wiggle your toes, grounding yourself further, reminding your body of its physical presence in this vast universe. Before you open your eyes, take a moment to envelop yourself in gratitude. Gratitude for this time you've gifted yourself, for the insights you've uncovered, and for the new beginnings that lie ahead. And when you're ready, with a deep, fulfilling breath, gently open your eyes. As they adjust to the light, realize that the world you see is filled with endless possibilities, and you're now equipped, both in spirit and intent, to embrace them. May you carry this feeling, this new perspective, into every action, every encounter, and every decision you make today. Every moment is an opportunity for a new beginning. If you enjoyed this meditation, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more inspiring meditations.